Okay, we're going to make a ribbed tube object for our robot. Now, the setup is real easy, and you get your V coordinates because it's a NURBS object. First, I'm going to go to the front view, and with the pen tool, I'm just going to draw the line. It's actually going to describe the path of the tube. Now, just hit escape to get out of my line function and just edit this a little bit with the E button. Something like that. That's great. Now, I'm going to go to perspective view and I'm going to introduce a circle. Make it a lot smaller, 20. That's okay. And I'm just going to use it for a sweep NURBS. Now, there's lots of objects here that all have subdivisions. First of all, I'm just going to switch off the caps because I'm not going to see them. So this cap, none, this cap, none, and you of course do that in the 3D object, which is the sweep NURBS. Now, these two objects both are splines. It doesn't matter if this is not editable. You don't have to make it editable just yet. Just put it on uniform. That will cut the circle into equal length bit splines. If I go to the spline here, I'll put that to uniform, and now I'm just going to go to GROW shading lines. You see that the circle has way too many subdivisions. If I put this one down, if I put it to 0, I just get four vertices per circle. That's not that much. I think 1 is actually already okay. For a detail, this is fine. This is already a lot of polygons. And I'm just going to go down to the spline and say, well, this is getting kind of edgy, so I need more. I think 6 or 7 will do. Right, now the only thing you need to do is make this editable. So you go to the sweep, you make it editable, and what you can do now is, for instance, if you UV unwrap it, you can put the UVs to the spot where the tube of the texture map is already in place. I'm just going to ask for show UVs. Look at it. This is brilliant. This is already nicely flattened out. So the only thing you need to do is actually scale this down. Hang on, I need to select something. So I'm just going to select these and scale them down and put it in the proper place. So with the E key, move it in the proper place. That's all you need to do. I'm just going to add a texture just to show you what it looks like when we sort of make it into a tube that is ribbed. I'm just going to put it on the bump map, activate the bump map, go to textures, surfaces, tiles, and with tiles you get all different kinds of tiles, and we're just going to go for lines. Where is it? Lines 1, and I'll just make the gray white and make the red white and white. That's not white. Okay, got something like this. I'll make the U scale, no, the V scale smaller so I get more lines, and if I put that on, I get something like this. This looks like crap. Hang on. I need to have more of that. So let's do 20. That's more like it. That's because I changed the UV unwrap to a smaller portion of the entire texture. That's why I got these very coarse lines. But this will do. This is fine. So you can make an an extra texture map, put it in the bump map, and that will just be lines, black and white, just in the section where you unwrap the tube. And basically that's it.